Cool Smart English.
What are you doing?
Today? Now? Right now?
Part 1.
What are you doing?
I am cooking breakfast for my family.
What are you doing?
I am eating watermelon at the moment.
What are you doing?
I am making a cup of tea for you.
What are you doing?
I am packing my lunch for work.
What are you doing?
I am washing the dishes after lunch.
What are you doing?
I am vacuuming the living room.
Are you ready?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Part 2.
What are you doing? I am taking out the rubbish now. What are you doing?
I am watering the plants at my home.
What are you doing?
I am serving the lunch now.
What are you doing?
I am folding the clothes.
What are you doing?
I am organizing my closet.
What are you doing?
I am washing the car this afternoon.
Are you ready?
What are you doing? 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 What are you doing?
Part 3.
What are you doing?
I am making a shopping list.
What are you doing?
I am going to the grocery now.
What are you doing?
I am sending a message right now.
What are you doing?
I am setting up the new TV.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning the house today.
What are you doing?
I am rearranging the furniture.
Are you ready?
What are you doing? 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 What are you doing?
Part 4.
What are you doing?
I am doing the laundry this morning.
What are you doing?
I am hanging the clothes.
What are you doing?
I am tidying up the living room.
What are you doing?
I am dusting the furniture.
What are you doing?
I am polishing the furniture.
What are you doing?
I am washing the window.
Are you ready?
What are you doing? 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 What are you doing?
Part 5.
What are you doing?
I am mopping the floor now.
What are you doing?
I am baking cookies.
What are you doing?
I am organizing the pantry.
What are you doing?
I am ironing the shirt now.
What are you doing?
I am hanging up the washed clothes.
What are you doing? I am changing the bed sheets.
Are you ready?
What are you doing? 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 What are you doing?
Cool Smart English.